Let me ask you a question. Do you want to stop others from ruining and spoiling your day? Yes? Then keep watching this video. Hey, this is Rajiv Kumar Love, the life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. Through my videos, I want to inspire you to improve your life and achieve your goals. In this video, I want to give you a very simple ritual that you can practice every day, which will help you to prevent ruining your day. I picked up this technique from my guru, Wayne Dyer. Many a times we ruin our day by thinking of a person who maybe never returned our call, or never returned our money, never replied to our email, never liked our picture on Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp, never responded to my WhatsApp message, never did what I said, or was rude to me or cheated me. Just by imagining this person in our mind, we ruin our beautiful day. So instead of doing this, why not do this simple exercise every day? So how do you do this? You stand in front of a mirror and then say these words with power, right? So look at yourself and say, nobody on this planet is going to ruin this day for you. Nobody. Let me repeat. Nobody on this planet is going to ruin this day for you. Nobody. That's all. So I hope you like this idea. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is Rajiv Kumar Love, your personal coach, friend, and guide. I love making videos for you. I will be back with yet another video. Until then, keep smiling, be happy, and take care.